Is it going to come out in our poo?
Thank you very much, Az. How lovely.
Bloody hell.
What a beautiful colour.
Okay.
Ready? Go!
Star Wars. Star Wars. Oh, sorry. Raiders of the Lost Ark. Oh, you're going to hate this.
Am I in it?
No, I think I might have been in it actually. I'm in.
Is it Harry Potter?
Yeah.
I haven't seen any of them.
Fatal. Psycho.
Yeah. I'm in it.
Downton Abbey. No, you're not in
I'm
that.
going Abby. She's seen all my work. Royalty.
Oh, the clown. I'm in it. Wearing warts. What's the second one?
Ryan McPhee.
No.
And the Prisoner of Azkaban. No.
Hannibal Lecter. Thingy. Silence of the Lambs. When Harry Met Sally. You better do this because you've nearly finished and I've got a whole muffin.
The Bicycle Thieves.
Hotel. Big hotel.
California.
No.
Budapest. The Shining.
Very good. Didn't you think that was good? That was good, wasn't it? The little boy on the bike.
Little boy on the bike. Excellent.
Yeah, 3 minutes.
Fucking hell. Okay. Well, this film drove you almost insane.
Forward.
Yes.
The fourth word. Cannula. A funny thing happened on the way to the cannula. Blood. There must... Oh, God, I hated that film. There will be blood.
That was really enjoyable.